Hi guys, this is Zagros. In this video I wanna say you what is an NFT and how does it work. Please start now subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. Non-fungible tokens NFTs seem to have exploded out of the other this year. From art and music to tacos and toilet paper, these digital assets are selling like 17th century exotic Dutch tulips, some for millions of dollars. What is an NFT? An NFT is a digital asset that represents real-world objects like art, music, in-game items, and videos. They are bought and sold online, frequently with cryptocurrency, and they are generally encoded with the same underlying software as many cryptos. Although they've been around since 2014, NFTs are gaining notoriety now because they are becoming an increasingly popular way to buy and sell digital artwork. A staggering $174 million has been spent on NFTs since November 2017. Anyone can review the individual image or even the entire collage of images online for free. So why are people willing to spend millions on something they could easily screenshot or download? Because an NFT allows the buyer to own the original item. Not only that, it contains built-in authentication, which serves as proof of ownership. Collectors value those digital bragging rights almost more than the item. How is an NFT different from cryptocurrency? NFT stands for non-fungible token. It's generally built using the same kind of programming as a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum, but that's where the similarity ends. How does an NFT work? NFT exists on a blockchain, which is distributed public ledger that records transactions. You are probably most familiar with blockchain and underlying process that makes cryptocurrencies possible. An NFT is created or minted from digital objects that represent both tangible and intangible items, including art, gifts, videos, and sport highlights, collectibles, virtual avatars, and video games skins, designer sneakers, and music. Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey sold his first event ever tweet as an NFT for more than $2.9 million. What are NFTs used for? Blockchain technology and NFTs afford artists and content creators a unique opportunity to monetize their wares. For example, artists no longer have to rely on galleries or auction houses to sell their art. Instead, the artist can sell it directly on the consumer as an NFT, which also lets them keep more of the profit. In addition, artists can program his royalties so they will receive percentage of the sale whenever their art is sold a new owner. This is an attractive feature as artists generally do not receive future proceeds after their art is first sold. How to buy NFTs? If you're keen to start your own NFT collection, you will need to acquire some key items. First, you will need to get digital wallet that allows you to store NFTs and cryptocurrencies. You will likely need to purchase some cryptocurrency like Ether, depending on what currencies your NFT provider accepts. You can buy crypto using a credit card and platform like Coinbase, Kraken, eToro, and even PayPal and Robinhood. You will then be able to move it from the exchange to your wallet of choice. popular NFT marketplace. Once you have got your wallet set up and founded, there is no shortage of NFT sites to shop. Currently, the largest NFT marketplace are OpenSea.io, Reliable, Foundation. Should you buy NFTs? NFTs are risky because their future is uncertain, and we don't yet have a lot of history to judge their performance. Since NFTs are so new, it may be worth investing a small amount to try it out for now. In other words, investing in NFTs is largely personal decision. If you have money to spare, it may be worth considering, especially if a piece holds meaning for you. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.